Yo, some things you only see when they're gone, you know. Never saw it coming. My bad. Yo, your fingers, they were beautiful. Never noticed that shine. Always right there beside me. How could I be so blind? Can't believe a lady this amazing was patiently one of a kind. Said share your burdens with me, let me help you ease your mind. But I was deaf to the offer, left your gentle words behind. But if time could bring us back to the day we first connected, yeah. Day we first connected, yeah. If it leads us on that track, put us back on that track, yeah. Then I swear I'll learn the meaning of what it is for us to grow. Never give up on that connection, let the real feelings flow. Yeah, I'll make the effort, truly talking, put on a proper show. Vow to understand this love from head down to the toe. For me it felt like the beginning, a brand new starting gun. But for you it might have been the finish line. Your patience overrun, saw the tears well in your pretty eyes. Damn, I couldn't say a one, not a single word of comfort underneath that lonely sun. Cause the truth is, yeah, I still loved you. My affection never done, still thought you were the one. The day you dropped the bomb, said it's better if we never link again, we're through. That's when the fog cleared, something finally broke on through. Yeah, my realization hit me late, out of the blue, it's true. Back when I thought I had the world's weight on my shoulders, me and my crew. But you, just talking to my turn back, girl, you were something more than I ever knew. You felt it too. But if time could bring us back to the day we first connected, yeah. Day we first connected, yeah. If it leads us on that track, got us on that track. Like water, yeah, like the air we need, essential and so deep. The meaning of true love, a promise I will keep. Cause love taken for granted, now that lesson's buried. Secrets I will reap, gonna carve that in my heart now. From the slumber I will leave, no more counting sheep. Hear the waves crashing softly, a short summer's final sigh. That's the only sound that's left now, beneath this empty sky. Yeah. Can't put you through no more heartache, can't watch you cry, can't even try. So to your silhouette I whisper quiet,